going to show you how we clean the gas range. We take these out. We're going to then take our buttons out. They just pull out like that, and we're going to clean around here too. This also, the cover also gets cleaned in warm water in the sink with soap. With soap and warm water, we clean the top too. Scotch-Brite, use this end, and then once I use it here, I throw it away. Obviously, we're not going to use it back for the dishes. And you want to leave the soap there for a few minutes. Same here. We're going to take a baking soda with water and make a paste and apply it with a brush. After 10 minutes, it's already looking better. I'm going to apply the third time the baking soda mixture. Now you know you can come over for dinner and everything is clean as a whistle. Looking good. I'll give it the last wash. It's all clean. It's shiny. Everything back together after we clean. We make sure that we put it in the correct place. If you see there's the pilot there, and you want to make sure that that slot is right above it. We're going to put it on. I put on the gas to make sure it's working after I cleaned it. And it looks good.
Hope you enjoyed this video.